Hey, what is up techie people? Hopefully everyone out there is enjoying a great health. And for today's episode I have a superb watch face in the house that is from a popular developer, Rarity Watchfaces, and maybe you know him due to his work on Terra Mechanica watch face. And this watch face that you're seeing right now is available on the Galaxy apps under the name of Manifest X. And once again, it's a superb watch face. You can see here, this is how it will look like on the Samsung Galaxy apps, Manifest X from Rarity Watchfaces. As you can see here, we have a ton of detail in the background. Rotating dials are present here. Further, I can also customize this watch face as well. But keep in mind that developer is giving away free coupon codes on his online coupon generator tool. But once again, due to latest Samsung policies, we have just 15 to 20 codes for this specific design. So make sure you try your luck as soon as possible. Link is down in the description. Just click the link and also you can try this watch face just free of cost. So guys, moving back to the watch face design, you can see here we have a ton of detail in the background. Also, this animation here is kind of cool looking. You have to just double tap here in the background and now the patterns are changing. You can see it is now darker, and now if I tap here, now it is changed again. So we have a ton of themes here to play around with, and this one is quite complicated. You can see here in the background, whole machinery of the watch face is present, and this is the Manifest X from Rarity Watchfaces. Kinda cool concept the developer has made with this specific design. And talking about shortcuts, if I tap here, it will take me to my step counter, and if I tap here on the heart rate monitor, here is my BPM monitor just by a single tap. And also I can tap here on the real time to go to my specific app shortcut menu, from where I can assign any app just by single tapping here. And we have another specific app shortcut at the top on this 21, which is showing my date. So in this way you can control this watch face Manifest X from Rarity Watchfaces. Once again, cool themes are present here. Just keep tapping here in the center and they will keep on changing. You can see here the red combination just looks dope. And now we will see its always on display mode. And guys, this is how the always on display mode on the Manifest X watch face will look like. Once again, we have a ton of information here in the always on display mode. You can see here the detail is just amazing, and in the background our rotating machinery is now stopped to conserve the battery life, but our hands are present here with this red color. You can just double tap on the watch face to bring the colors back in action. So guys, do check it out from the Galaxy apps, you will like it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.